He snapped a bolt. He snapped a bolt. I didn't snap a bolt. He snapped a bolt. He's the one working on it. I didn't do it. Welcome to Retro Daily's workshop, the car show that says you could and should use a retro car every single day. What we're doing today is something a little bit different. We'll be working on the cars rather than going around and seeing people's cars. This type of video, the Retro Daily's workshop, will be releasing sporadically. You know, there's no schedule to it like with the Retro Dailies. What we're doing today though is the Red Leader has a bit of an exhaust manifold blow, and we are replacing it, or we have replaced it, and we decided to film the intro at the end.
Yeah, a bit of a last minute decision.
Just introduce you to Adam.
Yeah, I am Adam from Quirky Classics. You are looking at my my humble garage, and this is going to be hopefully the home of all these little jobs, and we'll tackle everything we can, and they're not going to be how-tos or, you know, best practices or anything, just sort of like how we get it done, and sort of like, you know, the grind of actually running a retro car rather than you know, taking it to a garage to get these jobs fixed. I mean, this here's been a bit of a mess of a job, but we got it sorted.
That's because I helped.
Well, that's exactly it, yeah. The cutting was Liam, so...
Yeah.
But there it is.
Oh, yes. It's a good sound.
Guess what? This one's come out with a stud.
Nice.
There you go.
Hope it's the right stud, by the way.
We'll check now, won't we? Okay, right. You happy with that?
Yeah.
Do you want some goggles as well?
Yes, please.
Yeah. Why not see before I...
Because I'm not too bright, you know.
You can have my nice clean ones.
See, I have a big nose, so it doesn't actually...
Do you want me to use the iron to cut them out a bit?
Cut my nose out a bit?
No, cut the glasses out. I mean, I can cut your nose, but... Time dry! So that's the one that was on it. And that's the one. So you can see.
Mm.
And that's regardless of the fact that you had a hole in the manifold as well.
But didn't you cut? Is that from? Did you cut it?
No, didn't cut. I cut here and here.
Oh.
Didn't go near that.
Yeah, don't cut the lander sensor.
That would be funny, wouldn't it?
Hilarious. I've noticed that you have no guard on your.
Right. Yeah, the guard gets in the way. Which sounds like a really stupid sentence.
Isn't that what it's meant to do?
Well, it is, but like for now, where I'm trying to get into this gap here,
yeah,
the guard would actually.
Do you have a smaller disc?
I probably do have a worn-out one.
Yeah, that lambda sensor's a bit of a bastard, isn't it?
Isn't it just?
Oh, I've just kind of moved it out of the way. Just
I mean, can you put your hand there? Are you happy doing that? Keeping it out of the way?
Oof, no, that is right on it. Will it come out?
Might do.
There's lovely. I tell you what, mate, Adam, there's lovely lighting on there. You look really nice.
See my bald patch?
You know what? Before you even mentioned that, I didn't even notice. I'm too worried about my own baldness.
Yeah, you can tell me about it. Being an adult, isn't it? It's the worst part. Right, so I can get to both of those.
Baldness is nature's hairdresser.
I like that. That's true. Yeah. If you keep jacking it up, I think it'll fall out anyway. You need to push the centre box into the middle of the car. Like twist the whole thing. What, just in that way? No, because you've brought it too high now, so you're hitting the alternator. You're going to have to split your other one anyway.
Is it going? Will it go up? As daft as it'll sound. Can you get it over the side of the car?
Not really, no. Slate when you.
Cut it in two. Cut it in two.
I can do, but I really don't want to.
Oh my god, I'm so terrible. Then
that's the job, actually. There you go. Down.
that's the.
Just don't move your head up. You're almost too tall, aren't you, for it?
I'm just.
You need to be stood like 10 feet further back.
Do you know what? I'm dreading the day that someone goes, "Can you come and video me in my Mini or in my MG?" And I'll be like, "Yeah, sure."
Will I fit in it though? This should do, like, when you got stuff off, you should always do stuff like this. Or actually, I'm going to do something really cool for you as well.
You can clean it out for me?
Yeah, I've got a wire wheel we'll clean it with.
Ah, look at that! Look at that! Learning how to zoom.
Oh, so it's a remote control.
Oh yeah. Don't mess about.
So with mine, I've got to have an app on my phone.
I've got an app on my phone with my GoPro, but it won't link my GoPro.
I love doing the jobs, and
Yeah.
the good news is that, you know, you're not a cheap bugger, so you brought all the stuff to do the job properly. It makes my life easier.
Yeah.
You just need to learn to put your tools away. That's it. That's all you need to do.
But I'll learn.
Yeah. But yeah, I'm more than happy. I thought today was fun. This is a result.
This is absolute result. Right. I do turn into presenter.
Yeah, don't worry about it. You go for
Right.
it. You have to lead me because I've not been in front of the camera yet. So.
I can't lead anyone anywhere. You know what I mean? It's like I'm exactly the same. It's like, you know, when you kind of like, but then you get all these YouTube channels and they like straight away they know what to say. They kind of they go in,
script it and
they go
storyboard it.
to-
And
yeah.
But I think you'll lose something funny by doing that. I think they're just the easy. Who knows? But I mean, I'm ever useless at this.
Yeah. No, you won't be useless at it. I'm useless at it.
You got a nice like 5-minute video of us doing this, so it'll work out well.
Yeah, and then the only bit we're going to be able to use is at the end.
Yeah, exactly. Oh my god, my moustache is so wet.
Yeah, we'll do that another time.
Now, well, I mean, don't mind.
Oh, actually, are we going to have enough light to do that though?
We can just move this behind us.
Yeah. Yeah, can do.